back to Stock Talk Trades. If you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. We are looking at Ethereum today, and it is not looking good. We're on the daily chart, and currently there's a doji candle. I'll go ahead and zoom in here. I wish it was easier to zoom in on TradingView. It's not like Thinkorswim, where I can just zoom in like where I click and drag. But we have 11 hours and 30 minutes left in this candle, but we did make a new low, and we are going against this trend, which is not good whatsoever. So what are we going to look for? Well, really, we could have another I'm gonna go ahead and delete this because it's not really proven, doesn't really have too much validation anymore. I mean, this is good. I'm gonna go ahead and extend this trend line just a little bit here. Let's get a little bit more. But I mean, we are making these higher lows. So we have obviously this low, this low, this low. Ideally, we need to stay above this previous low of around $2,300. And if we can stay above that, I'm actually bullish on Ethereum. So we're gonna go ahead and zoom out here and look at the better time, but I'm going to plug the Alpha Day Trading newsletter. We send out $2,000 scanners every single day, all for free. Link down below, Alpha newsletter. So let's jump right back in. Let's jump to the weekly, see what's going to go on here. And again, this is 2 days left. So we still haven't made a new low on the weekly chart, which is good, which is still good. We are still above this 50% line. We're still above the 21 EMA. So I do expect us to actually pull up and break above this. But I'm going to go ahead and take some Fibonacci levels again. There's this, excuse me guys, there's this 50% level right at that blue line. So we either will pull back and test this line, or we are going to, and again, we did pull back and test that line after we made this low. We tested a little bit and we found resistance. Is not good, but we all are making these lower highs or higher lows. So if we can continue this pattern to make higher lows, we would break above. I would like to hold this 21 EMA. So we actually closed above this 21 EMA, but the trend line was like, nope, sellers brought it down and we're like, fuck you. So, you know, excuse me guys, I'm still recovering from being pretty sick. I'm not too worried about, we are have a doji candle. So I do want us to actually continue to push up. I ideally want to break this 21 EMA, and then this 21 EMA should just squeeze us up out of this trend line until we hit that 50% level. And then again, guys, that 50% level is key. We need to break above it and come and test support, or as I like to do it, the last kiss trade. It touches it and then it goes. So that's how you can play this, because again, there's a lot of false breakouts. Oh, a lot of false breakouts. Break above and then come back down, because the whales know exactly where everyone's buying, where everyone's selling, because they're smart. So you have to play with the whales. Once you have a confirmed move to a certain direction, then you can continue to push. So that is exactly what I'm looking for in Ethereum, is to break this high of around 3,000. 3,000 is a key level to watch. So I think that's really gonna be it. I'm gonna keep this video nice damn short. It's only 4 minutes now, but I think we covered a lot. I mean, I make these videos almost every single day, so there's not much to talk about daily. So again, I don't want to keep babbling on and on and on. Still, price target is at $6,400 if we break this, if we hold support and we're still in that bull run. Again, I'm going to go ahead and cover this altcoin market. Here's what people don't tell you. Again, I said I was going to end this video, but I wanted to show you guys this. So this was the last altcoin season. It lasted this long, and this is correlated. It took $492 billion to raise for this altcoin season to go from here to here. It took $990 billion to go from here to here. So what? Like, it already took almost double the amount of cash flow to move it this much. Again, it's a logarithmic scale, so it looks smaller. But just that puts it in perspective that this bull run in this bull run are pretty much, this is double the amount of bull run in terms of cash flow. So that is something to watch out for. But again, we had this bull run and consolidated for months. So that's what exactly could happen. So we'll see, and we will see what happens. But again, it looks more similar to the top. See how we had this nice run and then a little, almost like a smaller candle, long wick, and then a retracement, and this could be a farther pullback. So again, guys, we could be entering a bear market. No one knows when. We will see. And anyways, love y'all. Peace.